straight ahead, right?
Yeah, street not like the now.
Oh, there.
So good to see you. Great match. Yeah, we're so proud of you.
Nice fight, nice fight.
He hit very, very hard, strong left hand. And so it made me respect him a lot more. He's very tough. He didn't give up.
You did such a great job. We just want to,
I appreciate the hospitality, and I would love that. For me, enjoying Japan, it's a great blessing. So to be able to do this, still walk, be healthy, enjoy great food, I would love it.
どういう時に考えてました？和牛。
And what moment you thought about that Wagyu beef sandwich?
Oh, third round when I needed it the most. When I needed that energy the most. The third round of my fight. After fight, always hungry.
Oh, always hungry.
I thought he won for sure. And even in the corner, I feel like not responsible, but usually if I think someone's losing, then I say, oh, you gotta do something different. But it was very confusing because I thought, oh, no problem, easy win. Like, I was very comfortable, but then I was like, what happened?
Team Shorty.
Team Shorty, baby.
Let me know when.
Before I was a fighter, I was a chef. I went to culinary school to be a chef, so I help him with his diet, cooking and stuff like that.
But now, no more diet.
Now he can eat everything.
Ah, Shorty.
Yeah.
Chibi. Ah.
3,
1, 2, 3.
Let's go! Encounters with just arrived foreign visitors is at international airports in Japan. On top of the interviews at the arrival gate, the purpose of visit sounds interesting. We may accompany you to film your amazing adventures, experiences, and activities wherever you may go in Japan.
We're gonna go grab some steak sando with the news crew or the film crew here in Tokyo, which I think is dope, man. They met me at the airport, had a great conversation, and then they're like, "Can we take y'all to eat after your fight?" I'm like, "Yeah, for sure." And they're just super supportive, man. That's again, the hospitality here is amazing. I love it. Like it makes me feel good. I mean, food always makes me feel good after a fight, but in general, like they're just so hospitable that they just want to make me feel good and like, hey man, we're proud of you even if you win or lose. So that's amazing. So I'm happy about that, man. That's so dope. Makes me feel so much better. Where do we go? Straight? Okay. Oh. Have you ever? This is the first time I've ever seen this store, like, or actually read it. If you said I have a Ferragamo belt, I just feel like you're making up names just to say I got this belt. But it was a very good play. That was a very good play.
Yes. And then I made it here for his fight in time.
Someone from LA really has come by.
Yeah.
He also said
Same thing.
he's playing in a delightful.
That's where we're going. No, but this type of sandwich, what is that called?
Sando. I'm telling you, Sando.
Number one, Sando.
Wagyu Sando. Oh, let's go.
Yeah, Charles is ready. Charles is ready.
I think there was some kind of.
Sando sandwich, let's go. Super Sando sandwich.
That's all he's been waiting for.
Super Saiyan Sando sandwich. One thing that excites me is food.
It makes him a little more special.
A little more happier.
Yeah, happy.
Especially when you're hungry, right?
Yeah, double chunk chocolate.
Chuck shit.
Double chunk chocolate cookie. We're being filmed, which is awesome, by tourism in Japan. And but we're here to get a steak sando. So we did that yesterday, or tried to. We got a burger and different things and robbed a little bit. But today we finally get the steak sando. This guy's very excited, very happy.
Sando sandwich?
And oh man, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Mix it up. He leaves literally in an hour, so we're gonna get him some food and then we're gonna kick him out. So at least we want to let him leave with full belly. So we're gonna have some fun, and we got the camera crew, not just you, but Japan as well filming. So it's
What's the name of the show?
What was the show called?
What are you doing in Japan?
Why you come to Japan?
Yeah, why you come to Japan? What you doing?
What are you doing in Japan?
Start checking us. It's like, wow, man. So this is dope, man. Literally, I got off the plane. They interviewed me. And they're like, "Oh, you're from Ryzen," and now I'm here. So the hospitality here is remarkable. And they're talking about, we want you back in Japan, so after your fight we can follow you, do meet and greets. I'm like, yeah, dude, that would be amazing. Like, Again, you don't get this in the States. You don't get this in the States at all. This is really, really cool. And especially even after a loss. It's amazing, man. The love and support is ridiculous.
And it's Shorty's favorite thing, food and fighting. So.
Yeah.
I don't know which one he loves more. Which one do you like more?
Food.
Yeah, okay.
Food doesn't usually beat me up.
Sometimes.
Yeah, it could.
That's it. That's what I want.
There you go. The sandwich.
That's like the legendary
Yeah.
Japanese Wagyu platinum steak sandwiches.
Give me a. So, you can just get this,
Yeah.
or we can get this.
Yeah.
You get two
Go ahead,
pizzas
yeah.
and go half a pizza.
Let's do that.
Simple.
What price? Oh, これ。
Lot.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yesterday we got many combos.
Everybody got a combo.
Everyone got a combo. We weren't
So,
looking at the price.
5 combos.
And so I'm not paying attention to yen, and so I pay and I go, why is there an extra zero? So I look at my credit card, and I tip the guy. On the bill is almost $800 US, and I was like, oh,
Yeah, 120. Do like Wagyu.
oh there, because in US, $800 here, bad but still good. US,
Maybe 4,000.
yeah, $4,000. Yeah, and then after I go clean, after I go clean the dishes,
The sandwich, boy.
ありがとうございます。Thank you.
I'm so excited.
Dude, I'm hungry. Chocolate chip.
That's so funny.
When the food comes, can I say kawaii? You know. See how you say kawaii? Dude, get this guy out of here.
Cheers to a phenomenal time here in Japan. Kanpai.
And bye.
Well, soon I will be having that sandwich, so that third round really paid off, and I'm here because of it. So, use your motivation, kids. Dude, there's one photo of him hitting me, and it looks like Captain Captain Falcon throwing like a falcon punch. He's like, and I took the full blow. And that's
Dude, you just want.
the stories to believe.
I like the style here. It's like a secret window.
Fries,
Yeah, it's right. Wagyu.
Kanpai. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, cover up, dude. That's why you have no marks on your face.
Yeah. I got a good high guard.
Yeah, no, not yet, but
I was like,
you want
oh,
an exciting moment.
I'll be back.
I'm very excited. Chuck chips. Yeah, come on. Super Sando sandwich.
I just want food so bad.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, gold on it.
On it.
Damn.
That is
boy.
awesome.
The gold flakes. All
Salute.
right, ready?
Kanpai.
Cheers. Oh,
This is taste of victory.
dude, the bread. Taste of victory is for sure. That
What else is it?
really, really
Oh, very good. Thank you. This is literally what I came for.
Yeah.
Japan.
This is a good way to end the trip
Arigato.
with a bang. This is the best food I've had in Japan so far. This is amazing.
And he's a chef, so trust me. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Because everything, one, we got freaking confetti on this. Like, I feel fancy. I feel like I shouldn't be eating it. Two, you have all the different pieces of how they caramelize this, the sauce. It's very beautiful. And the bread is very, very soft, but the outside is still like crunchy and hard.
The crunch factor. That's one of the
Yeah.
components of a good dish. The height,
And
the
it's,
color, texture, everything.
and it's so soft that even when you bite it, there's no like pull. It's just
Clean. That's a clean bite.
and it goes right through.
You got a bite.
Yeah, it goes right through. Well done, Japan. This is why we come to Japan. And the fight. And the fight.
Yeah, food and fights.
I feel like I'm at Chuck E. Cheese. It's a margarita.
Yay. Thank you for waiting.
Thank you.
That steak, boy. Dead.
Chef
Boom.
Rosa.
Done deal. Ready?
Get your slice, ladies and gents.
I got mine already. Gotta get that mega bite with the thing on top. You got yours? You ready? Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
To victory. Wow.
That's interesting. That's good. I wasn't expecting that.
That's really good. Much better than I thought. That's good.
I wasn't expecting that at all. It's that
The cheese is actually really good
Yeah.
quality too.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
On point.
That tomato really just pops out.
Tomato is amazing. That was like the best.
And good choice in the margarita makes a old one. Pizza like this in the U.S., this would sell out everywhere. People would use all their money just to get this pizza.
Yeah.
Give you a little money, give you an extra trip, some steak. I wine and dined you
You
twice.
did. You wanted to dine me. It's an honor. I would do it if you didn't, but it makes it better. It definitely makes it better. Stickers. Somehow you find them all over Japan.
Somehow it's weird.
Yeah,
It's
it's
crazy.
crazy.
Who did that?
Someone must have really.
Oh, more.
Oh.
Arigato. Go on, keep on grabbing. Oh my gosh.
Can I bite it?
Yes, eat. This is crazy how fast it cooks, dude.
Okay, thank you so much.
The best thing about it, which makes it taste that much better, it's free. like, dude, free food up there. You know, like, but it's like free food that people care. You know, like, we're not like, oh, cool, you're no, they wanted, like, this is cool. You know, like, they care. The hospitality here is amazing. Like, this is easily, think about it. I lose my fight. In the States, this never happens. People don't text you, do anything. I got so much support on Instagram, X, all Twitter, all these different platforms, and then go out to walk and say hello to people, and I'm stuck in a line for an hour and a half signing autographs. Then they want to still take me out, even though I lost. You know, to feed me and to wine and dine me and just show me Japan. And then yesterday, walking around, you know, Shibuya, and people stopped me for autographs. Like, dude, that's amazing. That is, like, Japan's hospitality and respect is amazing. Thank you. And the food, come on. Like, this is amazing, dude. My vocabulary is going slowly down because I don't know what else to say. Like, there is nothing to say. But thank you. Wow. I don't even know if I want Ryzen to call me back to fight. I want them to just call me back so I can be here in Japan and, you know, hang out with everybody. I scream. Oh, no. Second pizza was better than the first one, and it was. First one was really good. The second one was better.
Why?
So, I think it was more distinctly like Japanese. Mochi, mochi, mochi. I love mochi. I love mochi. Wow. That's good vanilla ice cream. And it's like just cold enough to where it's still like hard in a good way. Like, I'm sad for Charles. You know, I don't even like sharing my food that much like that. I'm sad for Charles. I'm happy he was gone because I gotta have more of it, but I'm sad he couldn't experience it.
Shorty, you got the check?
I'd be so upset.
Okay, you can check, okay? Thank you so much. Steak cut sandwich 2, special combo 1 are all set, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, this card, okay?
It's
Oh, card only?
okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
じゃあ、その、
Yes.
これは、ご馳走するって約束したんで、私が払います。
This is gonna be a treat from us.
Oh, thank you very much.
Promised.
Thank you so much.
ナイスファイトだったから。
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for taking care of my friends. Now you give me power.
Okay, yeah.
How bad did your heart drop?
Dude, I was just like, I got again. Thank you. Thank you. You pay me in food, I do whatever.
おごってくれたら何でもやります。
I'll be on TV Tokyo, dude. Dude, this is so random. It's dope. Like, I think because of how random it is, it's even better. This is probably one of the more fun things I've done in Japan. I've been here 3 times. Every time I've done something different. This, in a sense, came to me. Like, they came to me to interview me at the airport right when I got in. I thought they were Ryzen. I thought they were part of, like, their camera crew. And they're like, what are you here for? I'm like, Ryzen? Yeah. They're like, oh, Ryzen. Yeah, and they start talking. And, you know, one of the guys is a big fight fan. And he's like, dude, after we started talking for, like, half an hour. And then he's like, well, if you want, after the fight, I'll take you out to eat. I was like, yeah. Like, I'm not going to say no, especially the food. And Steak Sando. So, look at, now we're here, man. And I would recommend a very, very high-level place for Steak Sando. This place is amazing. So, and the hospitality, again, to be on future shows or episodes, it's dope, man. And it means I'm doing something right, too. So, you know, it gives me a nice little confidence boost back. So like you said, it gives me power for my next fight, motivation, so I feel good. That's awesome, man. It's so cool. Literally on national television in Japan. Think about that. Not just the pay-per-view cards, but everyday stuff. As a thank you for taking care of me, the hospitality, not just at the airport, but here, the food, everything. I gotta donate this to you guys. You guys have been awesome. This was the banner for my last fight here in July. Power Rangers in the States, I believe it's Super Sentai here in Japan, but Japan literally was the reason why I do so many things in my life. One of the anime, my influences, so thank you so much. And I gotta give this to you guys. I'm gonna sign it.
You won't be cold.
No, I won't be cold. With all the warmth and hospitality you give me, I'll be just fine. One, two, and that's it. Jose A. Torres. Thank you, TV Tokyo. Thank you so much.
これ、you ね。
Yes,
ホセさん。おー、ミスターホセ。わお。
I'm the legendary Chicago Ranger. Power Ranger. One fan. Get to this.
はぁ。ちなみに、
I know Ryzen is having 2 events, one in March and one in April. I would like to take a little bit of time off because I have to help other fighters. I help Amanda Nunes January 24th for the UFC, regain her world title, so need to focus on her and hopefully I can get back to it and fight in April. So I want to be back here in April in Japan, but we shall see. It all depends on Ryzen, but it also really depends on the fans. And if the fans make enough noise, Ryzen will have me back. The Wagyu helped me, you know, push through to finish my fight, and the Wagyu now is helping me get motivated for my next fight. So I'm definitely very, very excited. And because of, you know, how things turned out, it makes me come back and want to come back even stronger. Not just because of the fight and the Wagyu, but all the fans' love and support. I get so much more love and support here than I do in my own country, so it is amazing. I used to win like food eating contests, so I can eat a lot.
なるほど。あ、じゃあもうフードファイター。